Hello and welcome to another episode of Tyrsky. This is the second episode for this season and there's some pretty sunset action going on over there. I have just started to work with Tyrsky. I've been here for a few hours working now. I've been scraping the old varnishes away from the boat right now that I showed you last time. I'm gonna take you there just a little bit. So that has already been scraped, pretty much cleaned, and I'm gonna do more of that. So it's quite tedious and boring work, so not much of a whole episode about it. So yeah, but things are moving on. And Silky is also here working on Väinö.
Getting started.
Yes. Any bigger stuff to do this year?
There would be, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything bigger. Something small, renovation.
Yeah, you don't have to do big stuff every year. But yeah, things are moving on, even though the country is pretty much shut down, but it doesn't, at least at this moment, it doesn't affect us working on the boats. But we'll see where we get with this situation. But so far, so good. So another day at work and another little winter. It's the 2nd of April right now, and I'm here working with the boat. I think in the last sentence I wasn't still sure that am I going to remove the windows from Tyrsky. But now I decided that I will, because it results in better varnish and easier sanding and all that stuff, even though it's quite difficult to put them back on, but I'm gonna do that, so let's get back to work. Alright, there's still few windows left, but I think you get the idea. On the right side and the front windows have been removed and the left side is still to go. Now I get to sand much easier and stuff like that. And I don't know, did I already tell you why I am doing all this? I probably did, but after all, there are some seams that have started cracking over there, and water is getting under the varnish, and that's why I am making the whole show right now. It could have lasted for a year or two more, but I think it's safer to do it a bit early than a bit late, so I don't have to replace any wood from the boat. So that's why I'm doing this. And yeah, it's fun work. Something else to think about these days, and something that I can do even with keeping the social distance to other people because of the coronavirus. So I'm staying safe over here, so you do that also. And yeah, I'm continuing to do this, but I think I'm gonna wrap this episode over here. I have just more of the scraping stuff and removing windows stuff left, so I'm gonna wrap it up, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode, where I'm gonna start sanding the boat and probably some other stuff also. So see you then, and see you around. Bye.